welcome to my kitchen. I know it's been a little while. I have been doing so much fun things. I actually went to visit my beautiful island of St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands, and we were celebrating my sister's 50th birthday party. We were about 12 girls. Guys, we had a blast. I might share some pictures at the end of this video. Today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how easy, yes, I always say that, how easy it is to prepare this delicious tres leche cake. And tres leches is 3 milk. Guys, this is so easy. You guys know that I don't bake, okay? I love dessert, I love sweets, I love goodies, but I don't bake. But I sure can do some cheat dessert. And this is one, guys. I'm gonna be using a cake box to do this delicious tres leches. Guys, super easy to do. So come with me and let me show you guys how easy, yes guys, easy it is to prepare this tres leche cake. So let's get baking, guys. These are all your ingredients. We're going to be using a cake box. Any yellow cake box will do. Now guys, just follow directions. Super easy. The only different thing is that I like using milk rather than water, okay? So I thought I'd say that. I don't know. I think it tastes better with milk rather than the water, okay? I'm going to be using some non-stick cooking spray, okay? And guys, I am going to be using a disposable baking dish because you know what? The less mess, the better, guys. Okay? And this is a very creamy cake. So I think this will do. So guys, these are all your other ingredients. We have some vanilla extract. We also have some almond flavor. This is going to give this cake such a delicious flavor, guys. 3 milk. So I'm using sweetened condensed milk. And I also have some evaporated milk. Now, the evaporated milk, I have 2 cans out, but we're gonna only be using 1. My third milk is actually whole milk. Now, if you don't wanna do whole milk, guys, you can do coconut milk. I'm gonna be using some almond slice to decorate the cake. This be toppings for the tres leches. And I'm gonna be using some cherries as well. Not only is this tres leches gonna look pretty, but it's gonna taste so good. And yes, I have some extra creamy Cool Whip. Guys, this is a must. And of course, your baking utensils. Okay, guys, so come with me and let's do this delicious tres leches. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven at 350, and we're gonna go ahead and get this cake box going, guys. I'm following directions. The only different thing that I'm doing is, again, I am not using water. I'll be using the milk. But just follow direction, guys. The only thing also that I'm going to be adding differently is, of course, my vanilla extract and the almond flavor, guys. Okay, so I have about a tablespoon of each. And do not put this away because we're going to use some more of these ingredients when we mix the 3 milk. Okay, because we want to taste that almond in the actual tres leches and a little bit of that sliced vanilla extract as well. I think this is perfect and ready to go in our baking dish, guys. Now this is ready to go in the oven, guys. The instructions called for 25 to 30 minutes. I am going to do 30 minutes. So guys, the 30 minutes are up and our delicious cake is ready. But guys, here is key. We need to make sure this cake cools down. So let's do this, guys. This is the easiest part, okay? We're gonna be using a total of 4 cups of milk, 3 types of milk. So we have our condensed milk, we have our evaporated milk, and guys, I am gonna be using whole milk. If you wanna do something different, such as coconut milk or 2% or 1%, whatever you fancy, you can do that. I'm using a tablespoon of the vanilla extract and the almond flavor as well. I'm gonna start with the condensed milk because it's thicker. And we wanna mix all these milk together. So we're gonna whisk this away. Guys, we are almost done with this delicious tres leches. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and poke some holes with a fork. You can use a knife, you can use a toothpick, whatever you fancy. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread these 3 delicious milks combined with the vanilla extract and the almond flavor all over this piece of cake, guys. Now, here is key. You have to let this cake sit for about 4 hours. I am gonna do 24 hours, guys. I think that the longer you let it rest, the better it will taste. Of course, you have to refrigerate this, guys. And guys, the rest is history. I sure hope you guys have enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. how easy was this? It's beautiful, guys. It's moist. I can taste that almond, because I did taste it, guys. I sure did. The almond and the vanilla. I'm gonna have another piece, guys. Look how pretty this looks. Check this out. It's nice and creamy. Nice and creamy. Food makes me want to dance. But this right here, if I can do cartwheels, I'll be doing cartwheels. Delicious, guys, and so easy. It's not from scratch. And guess what? No one has to know. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video, this easy recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. Cheers.